Hello, I am Neil and this is breakfast time. If you like to watch easy cooking videos, make sure hit that subscribe button. Like, comment and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notification. And what I am cooking today, eggs with spinach. 2 eggs, little bit milk, little bit cheese, red pepper, black pepper, mix well and put olive oil on your pan and start to cook. And side by put your chopped spinach. You can use chard too if you like. It is almost the same kind of vitamins they have and minerals. Yes. Kind of omelette. Kind of scramble. More like scramble actually. 2 eggs, milk, cheese, side spinach or chard. Of course, red pepper and black pepper for seasoning. Now it's almost done. Okay, here we are, our breakfast for today. Serve with 1 glass of lemon juice, as every morning I drink, no sugar, 1 tomatoes, olive, and 1 slice of bread. And this is balanced breakfast, healthy breakfast. Bon appetit. If you like to watch easy cooking videos, make sure hit that subscribe button. Like, comment and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notification. One last thing, if you like to support me for making more videos, please visit my Patreon page to contribute. Link is below the video. See you on the next one.